അസിസ്റ്റൻ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 ഇന്ന് നടന്ന എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് പേപ്പർ കോഡ് എ ആണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Which of the following Viceroy annexed oath on the grounds of misrule in 1856? Answer: Lord Dalhousie. Who was the first principal of Bengal National College established during the Swadesh movement? Answer: Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. Who was the president of the Aikya Kerala Committee formed in 1945? K. Kelappan. Which of the following social reformers started the journal Unni Namboothiri? V.T. Bhattacharipadu. Which of the following was a tax levied by the church in France? Titte. Which of the following tax was abolished by Finance Minister through Union Budget, July 2024? Angel tax. The process of transfer of heat from one body to the other body without the aid of a material medium is called terrestrial radiation. Identify correct pair from the given option. Answer A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. The depositional glacial landforms or rounded hummocks called basket of egg topography is drumlins. Which one of the following statement is or are correct? All of the above options are correct. Find out the correct statement from the given option. 1, 2 and 4 only are correct. An international treaty for the conservation and sustainable utilization of wetlands is Ramsar. Specify the correct order of the following programs of Green Revolution in India. Option B an answer. Which of the following is or are not part of structural reforms of new economic policy in 1991 of India? 3 only an option. Answer: import substitution. Which of the following items are excluded from GST remittance? 2 and 3 only an option. Answer: green tea leaf and onion and potato. Which of the following are correct about NABARD? 1, 2 and 3 only an option. Answer: match the following. Answer A ആണ് 1D. Tendulkar Committee Poverty Estimation, Delhi Committee Indirect Tax Regulation, Narasimham Committee Banking Sector Reforms, Abhijit Sen Committee Agriculture Price and Cost Poverty Estimation. Which of the current RBI rates are correctly matched? 1, 2 and 3 only an answer. The official legal advisor to a state government is Advocate General. Which of the following articles does not contain constitutional provisions for women? Article 14. Which of the following subjects belong to the state list? Taxes on land and building. Which of the following schemes are run by Kerala Social Security Mission for the welfare of senior citizens? 1 only. Ayamitra. Kesru is a Kerala government scheme associated with employment. What was the exact constitutional status of the Indian Republic on 26 January 1950? A sovereign democratic republic. The power of judicial review lies with the High Courts and Supreme Courts. Which of the following statements is or are related to 42nd Constitutional Amendment? 1, 2 and 3. Which of the following act as the watchdog of public finance? Controller and Auditor General of India. Who among the following said that the preamble is the horoscope of our sovereign democratic republic constitution? K. Munshi. Education, which was initially a state subject, was transferred to the concurrent list by the 42nd Amendment. Kerala Administrative Tribunal was established as part of constitutional adjective system. Which of the following is not related to the above statement? None of the above. Which act provided for the reservation of seats for women, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and municipalities? 74th Constitutional Amendment. Which of the following is included in the Ramsar sites in Kerala? Ashtamudi. The vitamin that plays a crucial role in maintenance and repair of epithelial tissue by promoting cell differentiation and proliferation is vitamin A. Which of the following statements is or are correct about blood cholesterol? Only one. Excessive blood low density lipoproteins are harmful to health. Increased cardiac output required during extra physical effort causes severe chest pain which radiate to arms, chest and jaw are called angina pectoris. Select correct statements regarding human respiration. Only 1 and 3. The typical oxygen saturation level of hemoglobin in arterial blood under normal physiological condition is 95 to 100%. The primary drive for respiration under normal condition is controlled by the level of CO2 in the blood. The significant amendment in the plastic waste management rules 2024 in India includes only 2, 3 and 4. What is the speed of light in air? 310⁸ meters per second. What is the SI unit of power? Watt. What is the escape velocity of Earth? 11.2 km per second. What is the name of the first artificial satellite launched by India? Aryabhatta. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Identify the uncorrelated. Molybdenum, alkali metal. Choose the method to separate NaCl and NH4Cl from its mixture. Sublimation. The 2023 Nobel Prize in Chemistry has been awarded to Mongi Vavedi, Louis Bruce and Alexei Yakimov for the discovery and synthesis of quantum rods. Which institution is related with Sir William Jones? Asiatic Society of India. Which statement is or are correct about Vallathol Narayana Menon? 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are correct. And Malayalam film is an adaptation of Othello. Kaliyattam. Which personality is or are related to the game volleyball? 2, 3 and 4. Who is the successor of Rahul Dravid as coach of Indian cricket team? Gautam Gambhir. If 12% of A is equal to 15% of B, then 16% of A is equal to what percentage of B? Answer 20%. The original price of a handbag was increased by 40%. If the price of half a dozen handbags was rupees 1680, what was the original price of one such bag? Answer 200. An amount of money becomes double in 10 years. In how many years will the same amount becomes 5 times of the same rate of simple interest? 40. If A is to B equal to 4 is to 5, B is to C equal to 7 is to 8, find A is to B is to C. A certain distance was covered by a car at a speed of 60 km per hour and comes back at a speed of 36 km per hour. What is the average speed of the car? Answer 45 km per hour. Find the missing number. Answer 188. In 1985, Independence Day was celebrated on Thursday. What was the day on 13th July of the same year? Saturday. Choose the odd one of the following. Ex equal to 110. A boy walked 3 km south from his school, turned left and cycled 5 km. He turned left again and cycled 3 km. Then turned right and cycled another 2.5 km. What is the shortest distance he travelled? 7.5 km. If print is coded as MOFKQ and convey as ZLKSBV, what will be the code for victory? SF. Answer C. SFZQ LO. Choose the correct question tag for the given sentence. You don't live here. Answer. Won't you? Pick out the right antonym from the options for the word kindle. Put out. Which of the following words mean the same for couch? Sofa. What does the following idiom mean? Spill the beans. To reveal a secret. Complete the sentence with the correct preposition from the choices given. Because of the financial crisis, Alan decided buying the new bike. Against. Write the form of the verb that agrees with the subject. Mary's friend all the time. Smiles. Insert comparative or superlative form of the adjective. Alan is his son, eldest. Fill in the blank with a suitable article. Prima has been quiet for long time. A. Combine a word from the option to make the right phrasal verb. She was ready to look her grandma during Christmas holidays. After. Select the word with the correct spelling and fill in the blanks. All the came to the party. Neighbors. Answer A. അവതരിപ്പിക്കുന്നവൾ ഒറ്റപ്പദം ഏത്? ആൻസർ എ. അവതാരക. ഡിസിപ്ലിൻ എന്ന പദത്തിൻ്റെ തർജ്ജമയായി വരാവുന്ന പദം ഏത്? വിജ്ഞാനശാഖ. എട്ടുകാലി മമ്മൂഞ്ഞ് എന്ന ശൈലിയുടെ അർത്ഥം. എന്തിൻ്റെയും ഉത്തരവാദിത്തം ഏറ്റെടുക്കുക. ശരിയായ വാക്യം ഏത്? ഈ പാഠത്തിലെ ചില വാക്കുകൾക്ക് അടിവരയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. ആൻസർ ബി. ശരിയായ പദമേത്? അനുഗ്രഹീതൻ. ആൻസർ ബി. കവി. സ്ത്രീലിംഗം എഴുതുക. കവയിത്രി. ചൂഷകർ. വിപരീത പദമേത്? ചൂഷിതർ. സ്നേഹം എന്ന പദത്തിൻ്റെ നാനാർത്ഥമായി വരുന്നത് എണ്ണ. അവൾ. പിരിച്ചെഴുതുക. ആ പ്ലസ് അൾ. പ്രകാശം. പര്യായ പദമേത്? മയൂഖം. Which of the following provides the fastest access to large video files? SCSI hard drives. Which command uses to display the correct working directory of Linux? pwd. Which of the following is not an example of application software? DOS. Which of the following stores the program instructions required to initially boot this computer? ROM. Every web page has a unique address called URL. In MS Word, displays the buttons head and footer. Insert. Which is the shortcut used to apply the subscript formatting in MS Word? Control = Answer D. Feature in MS Word is used to create multiple personalized letters. Mail merge. Which of the following command is not available in MS Word view menu? Symbols. Among the following, which one allows you to link another parts of the same document in MS Word? Cross-reference. The language used to create macros in MS Excel is Visual Basic. Function in MS Excel gives the total number of entries in a range of cells. Condo. The function key which allows you to check spelling in MS Excel is F7. In which Excel tab you can find the option for creating charts? Data. Which function displays only the current date of MS Excel? Today 0. By default, the extension of CRIM file is XCF. In a PowerPoint, which is the shortcut key to start the presentation from the current slide? Shift F5. In MS PowerPoint, themes could be found under Design tab. Describes the physical storage structure of database. Conceptual schema. Which of the following is a data definition language command in database queries? Alter. Question paper complete ആയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Thank you.